you really think you lived the true life of a man? Well, here's the reality. Jordan Peterson said, "A harmless man is not a good man. A good man is a very, very dangerous man who has that under voluntary control. Listen, it doesn't matter whether you're 18 or 60, the world can be a harsh place. And there are things your father should have told you. The reality is, if you're a man, you were born without inherent value. And the world will treat you accordingly. Deep down, every man wants to be respected and reach his full potential, but it's a tough journey. The first thing you need to understand is that you can't convince anyone to respect you by asking for it. Respect can't be begged for. It's earned. You force the world to respect you by being undeniably worthy of it. Think about why everyone respects the ocean. The ocean doesn't ask for respect, and people are compelled to respect it because it's powerful. You can't just walk into the sea without regard for it. The ocean demands respect by its very nature. Even the best boats have to respect the ocean. You need to become a force that commands respect. This means becoming strong in all aspects of life and always keeping your word. That automatically earns respect. At the same time, you must be humble enough to respect others, as there's always something to learn from everyone you meet. Real education begins after school, and some people think they've graduated in life once they've finished their exams, but that mindset prevents growth. Never let schooling interfere with your education. As a young man, focus on learning and overcoming challenges to grow. During this period, remove girls as a priority and concentrate on yourself. Women will become more interested in you later when you've become a high-value man, and at that point, you can choose the best quality partner. As you improve your life, some people will try to hold you back. These individuals might be friends or family who make fun of your goals or encourage you to waste time because they want you to stay the same. Your self-improvement can be threatening to them as it confronts them with their own laziness and failures. Sometimes people do this subconsciously. Friendships based on temporary pleasures may also fall apart if you stop engaging in those activities. You might think you don't want to make sacrifices and just want to enjoy life. Understand this. Even if you don't sacrifice for your goals, you'll still have to make sacrifices. If you're not willing to sacrifice for your goals will become the sacrifice. Pay attention. If you give up on your dreams and potential for short-term pleasure, you'll eventually face regret. Over time, you'll meet new people who understand and support your goals. Prioritize shared values over social vibes. It's important to let go of past relationships and surround yourself with a higher quality peer group to ensure a better future. This doesn't make your current friends and family bad people. You can still love them from a distance, but you need to protect yourself and your goals. Sometimes this may mean moving out of town to change your environment. Loneliness may come, but it's not a bad thing. Temporary loneliness helps you understand who you are and what you want out of life. You must be willing to put in the work even when no one is watching. Avoid posting everything on social media for instant gratification. Keep working and learning about finance, training your body, and seeking good information. Challenges and obstacles are inevitable, and you will face defeat. Accept it gracefully, learn from it, and move on. Don't complain about things that have happened or things you can't control. Focus on what you can control and protect your mental peace. Practice meditation and make it a habit. Begin to pray and seek guidance from a higher power. A man is only as strong as the one he looks up to. Looking up to God Almighty can bring victory in all areas of life. Life is all about perception. What one person sees as reality may differ from another's perspective, shaped by their thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. Be grateful and count your blessings. A negative outlook can make life miserable, regardless of success. As you progress in life, your circle will get smaller, but the quality of people will improve. Be a good friend, someone others can rely on. Stand by your friends and be ready to support them. Always tell the truth, even if it's hard. Over time, these decisions will transform you into a better version of yourself, and the world will see you as a high-value man. When you reach this stage, women will want to be with you, and men will admire your position. Dating will become more interesting, and life will be more enjoyable. However, never forget your values and what got you to this point. Many people reach the top only to fall back down because they lose sight of what brought them success. Stay humble, continue learning, and remember that even at the top, you can still make mistakes. Enjoy life, but never let yourself completely fall off track. Lastly, if you want this type of content, remember to like and subscribe. Until next time, my friend.